Best offset smoker. We review top 5 best offset smoker. For more details and price, click product link description. Char-Broil American Gourmet Offset Smoker. This brand and model of offset smoker is perfect for outdoor use such as on patio and lawn. The Char-Broil American Gourmet Offset Smoker is cheaper as compared to other brands. It is ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals. The primary cooking space is 315 square inches and 670 square inches rack space. Cooking a bunch of meat for family dinner is a lot easier if you will use this smoker. It features a temperature gauge mounted on its lid, a firebox, and a warming rack. Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill with Offset Smoker. This brand of offset smoker also works as a grill. The Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill can be the best option if you want to use smoking and grilling but save some money. It uses charcoal and is a freestanding barrel smoker. It features a steel and iron-made grill and stainless steel handles. The cooking area is about 420 square inches and the offset warming area is 180 inches. This type of offset smoker comes with a professional thermometer and dampers that are adjustable. Thus, you can expect for better airflow and evenly smoked food. Oklahoma Joe's Highland Offset Smoker. The Oklahoma Joe's Highland is a smoker that values your money because of its durable and sturdy construction. It offers an all-new smoking experience as it features 2 cooking chambers for cooking and heating. The total cooking space is about 900 square inches, in which the smoker chamber measures 281 square inches and the grilling area is 619 square inches. You can expect smoky flavored meat due to its grates made of cast iron. Pit Barrel Classic Cooker. As compared to its competitors, the design of Pit Barrel Cooker is different. But it can cook succulent, smoky meat easier. This type of smoker works similarly to a convection oven. It can cook and smoke the hanging meat from top to bottom with its own juices. The Pit Barrel Cooker can manage high temperatures, while the external cooling can generate condensation inside the barrel for additional moisture. It comes with a removable grill grate that can be used for grilling steaks, chicken pieces, veggies, or fish. Camp Chef PG-24 Pellet Grill. The design of Camp Chef PG-24 will take you to a higher level of grilling and smoking experience. There are several built-in features that allow easy grilling process. It has a built-in thermometer that eliminates guesswork because the sensors help to maintain the stability of the temperature inside the chamber throughout the cooking process. Aside from the accurate temperature control, it also features a stainless steel probe that is used to measure the food temperature. The cooking area is 560 cubic inches and the side shelves measure 16 inches by 12 inches.